Put the potatoes in the saucepan with water. Boil for 20 minutes. Add butter, finely chopped dill, grated mozzarella, and salt. Mash the potatoes. Place the potatoes in the baking tray. Flatten with the spoon. Stir in the tomato sauce with vegetable oil, oregano, salt, black pepper. Spread the puree with tomato sauce. In minced meat, add breadcrumbs, an egg, finely chopped onion, fry the mushrooms with salt. Finely chopped parsley, black pepper, salt, oregano, paprika, garlic powder. Fill the ice cube tray. In the freezer for 3 hours. Place the meat on top of the tomato sauce. Drizzle with melted butter. Bake for 20 minutes. Sprinkle with grated mozzarella. Finely chopped dill. Bake for another 10 minutes. Grease the baking paper with vegetable oil. Mix the minced meat with the egg. Breadcrumbs, finely chopped parsley. Garlic, grated parmesan. And salt. Roll out the mince with the rolling pin. Spread with tomato sauce. Top with melted cheddar cheese. Cut squares. Make rolls. Fry the rolls on all sides. Pour vegetable oil into the pan. Fry garlic. Add tomato sauce. Place the fried rolls in the sauce. Add mozzarella cubes. Cook for 10 minutes.
Cut the pork chop. Beat the meat until soft. Mix in soft butter with garlic powder, black pepper, oregano, and salt. Brush the meat with butter. Cut the peppers into pieces. Fry the peppers for 20 minutes on each side. Wrap them in foil. Let it soak for 15 minutes. Clean the skin. Put the peppers on the meat. Sprinkle with grated cheese and chopped parsley. Roll the meat into a tight roll. Tie with thread. Cut the potatoes into thin slices. Add sliced onion, season with oregano, paprika, black pepper, salt, and vegetable oil. Put the roll in the tray with vegetables. Mix honey with mustard seeds, soy sauce, vegetable oil, cucumber brine, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, oregano, and salt. Brush the meat with the sauce. Cover the tray with foil. Bake for 15 minutes. Remove the aluminum foil. Brush the roll with sauce. Bake for another 15 minutes.